So see that bus? He's gonna block them. Is he coming around though? Get ready. He's not. Get ready to go. Let's go. Gas, gas, gas. Yeah, be quick. Inside lane. Inside lane. Go to gear 2. Count the excess. 1. Inside lane. You're a bit too far out. Inside. That's 2. Now move. Check your left mirror. Now,
I have to go in the same lane as him.
yes, well, that's where we're going. But we're gonna follow the shape. We're gonna wait in the middle. Oncoming cars are priority.
Okay.
You'll see it. You'll see it's kind of a bend, but you'll see as we get there. Just follow the shape and wait in the middle. If it's clear, we're gonna go. The reason why you're on the right lane, the left goes left only. If you can't see the arrows on the floor, the examiner will have to tell you the answer, like I have.
What if I'm already at the front? And
He'll tell you the answer initially, like in advance. But if you're already in the wrong lane, you go left. You go the wrong way, basically. The gas, biting pole. Can you see the lights? It's green circle. If it's green arrow, you go. If it's red light, we have to go because you're in the center of the road.
When it's red, I have to go.
Yeah, because you're past the stop line behind us. Find the buying point.
Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Today is slightly different. We're not doing a mock driving test, we're doing a driving lesson. If you want to see our student doing a mock driving test, go to our channel. The same student will be doing a mock driving test if you want to see her test. Now in a driving lesson, every student is different. Every student learns at a different pace. We're obviously going to cater to the student's ability. Now go to our channel, fmdrivingschool.co.uk, where we post everything that students should be learning in the driving lessons and how to prepare yourself for the driving test itself and how you can pass the driving test first time. Just go to our channel and our site, fmdrivingschool.co.uk, and you see everything that you need to know in order to help you pass first time. Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe. It's only a button, but on the right hand corner of your screen, click it. It really helps our channel grow. Thank you.
Second.
Yes. Yeah. I got to gear 3. So we're coming up towards a crossroad. Hold it at 20. Don't go breaking the speed limit. So we're going to turn right at the traffic lights. It is a crossroad. So we're going to turn right at the traffic lights. And watch what happens. You're going to have to wait in the middle potentially. So as we get closer, check our mirrors. Interior right. Indicate right. Okay. And look at this learner. He stopped in the middle. We might have to do the same. It's a hill as well. Clutch down and brake.
Stop in the same place.
But no, for now, because of the red light, we stop behind the line. Okay, handbrake. You're at a slight hill. Gear 1. So this learner got slightly stuck because of the pedestrians.
I have to go in the same lane as him.
Yes, well, that's where we're going. But we're going to follow the shape. We're going to wait in the middle. Oncoming cars are priority.
Okay.
You'll see it. You'll see it's kind of a bend, but you'll see as we get there. Just follow the shape and wait in the middle. If it's clear, we're going to go. So find the biting point, Agnes. So, yeah. That's a holder there.
What area is this?
This is Twickenham. So Richmond College is just down the road. Get ready. So there's the lights. So just go slowly. Hold the clutch and be slow. Follow the shape. They have priority, Agnes. So we're gonna follow and wait. Look, there's too many cars. Follow the shape this way. Clutch down and brake. Brake. Once you stop, handbrake up. Feet to the gas. Biting pole. Can you see the lights? It's green circle. If it's green arrow, you go. If it's red light, we have to go because you're in the center of the road.
When it's red, I have to go.
Yeah, because you're past the stop line behind us. Find the buying point. I'll explain that. Look, there's a gap anyway. Hammer goes down and go. Come on. You got this. Slowly. Okay. Go before the van comes. Speed. He's catching up. There we go. Okay. And go to gear 2. So if you go past the stop line and you're in the center of the road, and then the lights go red, you have to go. Do you understand? Because these cars are now coming out next.
The light is not for me, it's for the front.
It kind of, yeah. You could say that. Alright. So I'll show you another crossroad when we get a chance. So a bit more right. Okay, careful. Okay. It's 20, yeah, just be careful. So we're gonna go second exit on the roundabout. Look at the arrows on the floor. Tell me what you see. Check out right here. Okay. So come off the gas a bit. Brake. Which lane goes straight? Look at it. Is it the left?
Oh, no, the right.
Check our right mirror. Push out to the right slightly. Yes. Okay, but look at the cars coming.
Second.
Yes. Brake and clutch down. Go to 1. Look right. Go for it a bit more. Look at this car. Go, go, go. We're gonna go. He's not coming around. Look at this car. He's coming around. He should indicate. That car. Well, he's not indicating. He's a learner as well. Get ready. Go, 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 go. And we're gonna make it. Change over. Okay, go, go, go quick. Be on the left lane. Left lane. Like this. Check our left mirror and this lane here. Now speed up. Now come off the gas. Clutch down gear 2. Check our right mirror to move back in. Good. Okay, hold that speed. Watch what happens to the road in front of you. Okay, you can't see it, so I'm going to tell you the answer. Be on the right lane to go straight. You have to be on the right lane. You'll see why in a bit. Clutch down. Brake, clutch down. Okay, and brake. Then go back to 1. Now the reason why you're on the right lane, the left goes left only. If you can't see the arrows on the floor, the examiner will have to tell you the answer, like I have.
What if I'm already at the front? And
He'll tell you the answer initially, like in advance. But if you're already in the wrong lane, you go left. You go the wrong way, basically. So watch, you'll see when he moves. Do you see the arrows? Check our right mirror, push out to the center. Good, and speed. And get to the correct gear. Good, and go. Check your left mirror. It's you're going to move back in, yeah. So let's go to gear 3. Okay. So we're gonna come up towards a roundabout. Let's actually take the third exit and make it a little bit tricky. And let's see if we can handle it together. So, do you see the roundabout, Nessa?
yeah.
Good. So as we're getting closer, let's check our mirrors first. Interior right, good. And then we're gonna indicate right now. Indicate right. Come off the gas a bit. Start braking gently. As we get closer, brake, brake. Clutch goes down, and brake. Let's go to 1 because we're pretty much about to stop. Push in, push in, push in, push in. Good. Stay on the right side. Stay on the right. Double check, is it clear? Let's go. Speed up. Go to gear 2, please. Indicate right again. Count the exits. 1.
2.
This one's 2 there. Slow, slow. After 2, check your left mirror. Indicate left and move across. Good roundabout. That's how you do roundabouts. Does that make sense? You count 1, 2. So if you're taking the third, after the second, check your left, indicate and move across.
This one's a bit easier than the other one.
And this one's a bit more smaller size than it compared to the other one. And go up to gear 3. Okay. And check all your mirrors, left and right. Let's do 1 more, 2 more roundabouts. So at the traffic lights, Agnesa, we're gonna go right, okay? At the traffic lights. Come on the gas a bit, he's a bit slow. Just be a bit slower.
Right?
At the traffic lights, yeah. So as we get closer, check our mirrors, interior right, indicate right. Get closer, we're gonna make it. As you get there, come off the gas, brake. When you turn, you want to be in 2. Brake, clutch down, go down to gear 2. Good. Off the clutch slowly. Good. Look into the road you're going to. Excellent. Hold that speed. Once you're in, check all your mirrors. Go to gear 3. And let's look for speed signs. What speed is the road? Can we see any sign?
No.
So what will you assume?
30.
30, yeah. It's a 30 sign as well. And then come off the gas, go about traffic, brake, brake, clutch down, go down to gear 2 quickly. Brake, brake, brake. We might go to 1, go to 1. Very slow. Anyway, we're going to take the third exit. Let's guide you through it. Be in the center, don't worry.
Right?
Yeah, it's cool. Be in the center, I'll explain. Be in the center. The road actually widens up, so people start moving towards the left or right. When it gets a bit more wider, we're going to actually push ourselves to the right. So check our right mirror. You'll see it. Okay, so the lanes are going to start splitting up from here onwards. Check our right mirror. Position yourself a bit more to the right. Double check the right. Slow down for him. Don't get too close. Keep this gap. That's cool. Okay, which exit did I say you're taking? Third. On last speed. So we're fairly close. Actually, be careful. He's not moving out the way enough. Okay, check our right. Move out a bit more. Check your right mirror. Yeah, move your head when you check. Come off the gas. Anyway, indicate right now. Right, I said, not left. There we go. Okay. Clutch down. Where's the third exit? While you're waiting, have an idea. Where are we going roughly?
That's 1.
Yeah?
2. 3.
Good.
Yeah.
So that way you don't go to the wrong exit. Okay, so as we're getting closer. Fairly busy right now. So look at the cars in front as well. See that bike? No, we're in the inside lane. Inside lane, all right? So look at the car. See that bus? If they go straight, they're going to block the right. Look at this car. But they're a bit too fast for us, so we're going to wait. So see that bus? He's going to block them. Is he coming around though? Get ready. He's not. Get ready to go. Let's go. Gas, gas, gas. Yeah, be quick. Inside lane. Inside lane. Go to gear 2. Count the exits. 1. Inside lane. You're a bit too far out. Inside. There's 2. Now move. Check your left mirror. Now indicate left. Move a bit to the left. And move across. Move across. Move across, Agnesa. A little bit too close to the curb. That's all it was. Cancel the indicator. Keep it up. Speed up. Go to 3. Okay. Check all your mirrors. Left and right. Look around you. See who's around you. Okay. Stay in this lane. And let's do one more third exit roundabout, okay? So, we'll take the third exit. Which lane? Come off the gas. Which lane do you want to be in? Check our mirrors. There's a few cars. Indicate. And let's see. He's not giving you away. Just hold up. Let him go. Check our right. Get ready. And push in now, yeah. Come off the gas a bit. Good. Leave the indicator because we're near the roundabout. Right, go down to gear 2. Go down to gear 2. A bit slow, bring the speed down. Okay, good. Stick to the inside lane, double check the right. It's controlled by traffic lights. No clutch, it's cool, it's controlled. He should be stopping. Slow, this is your lane. 1, 2, be behind the blue car. Clutch down and brake, good. And go to gear 1. Okay, and then handbrake, feet to the gas. And then we'll indicate left in a bit.
After that one?
No, this is the second exit.
Oh.
So where the blue car is roughly, that's what we're going to indicate. That's it, get ready. Start moving. Check your left mirror. Indicate left. Hog the lane. Double check the right mirror now because it's going to merge in. That's it. Then go to gear 2. And then we're going to go left at this roundabout. Traffic light, sorry. Check our left mirror. Indicate left. Be slow, clutch down brake, it's a bit tight. A bit more left. We're gonna go off the clutch, let's go. Brake a bit so you can turn. Alright, good.
If you want to see the difference between a driving mock test and a driving lesson, go to our channel FM Driving School and you can see the very same student doing a driving mock test. It's completely different. The atmosphere in the lesson is completely different. We're not helping out. We're letting the student independently drive. Today was more of a lesson situation. We're explaining or trying to explain in the short period of time that we have what the examiners look out for. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.